Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about simultaneous linear and quadratic expressions. So we are solving two pairs of equations where one is a linear equation and the other one is a quadratic expression. Right? So we are solving this simultaneously and the question says solve the following simultaneous equations. 2x minus 5y is equals to 1 and 4x squared plus 25y squared is equals to 41. So what do? First we take the linear equation 2x minus 5y is equals to 1 and let's say we make our x is our formula, so it's 2x is equals to 1 plus 5y. So our x, if we divide both sides by 2, you get x is equals to 1 plus 5y over 2. And then we go to the quadratic equation, which says 4x squared plus 25y squared is equals to 41. So if you substitute, you get 1 plus 5y over 2 squared plus 25y squared is equals to 41, right? So 4 is equals to 1 plus 5y squared and 2 squared here plus 25y squared is equals to 41, right? And we know that 4 times 1 plus 5y squared over 2 squared is 4, right? Plus 25y squared is equals to 41. And this 4 and 4 cancel each other. And they are left with 1 plus 5y squared plus 25y squared is equals to 41. Right? So what do we get if you expand this? We get 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 5 is 10. So 10y and 5y squared, what do you get? Get 25y squared, right? So 25y squared plus 25y squared is equals to 41, right? And then we go and say, right, 25y squared plus 25y squared is 50y squared plus 10y plus 1. If the 41 came that side, minus 41 is equals to 0. So 50y squared plus 10y and 1 minus 41, what do you get? Get positive, get negative. 40 is equals to 0, right? And we divide both sides by 10. We divide all everything. We factor out 10. 10 into 50y squared, what do you get? Get 5y squared. 10 into 10 get y. 10 into negative 4 to get minus 40 minus 4, sorry, is equals to 0, right? So if you divide both sides by 10, what do you get? Get 5y squared plus y minus 4 is equals to what? 0. So let's factorize this. If you multiply 5y squared times 4, what do you get? You get negative 20y squared. And what are the two numbers which when you multiply get negative 20, but when you add them you get y? These are 5y and 4y. If you substitute this on y, so I get 5y squared is goes to 0, right? So if you got 5y here, 5y and 5y squared get y, 5y into 5y get 1. And the factor here is minus 4. Minus 4 into y get 1, minus get y, minus 4 into minus 4 get 1. It goes to 0. So y plus 1 times 5y minus 4 is goes to 0. So either y plus 1 is equals to 0 or 5y minus 4 is equals to 0, right? So if you solve this, each y plus 1 is equals to 0, you get y is equals to negative 1. And if you solve 5y minus 4 is equals to 0, say 5y is equals to the 4 outside and divide both sides by 5, our y becomes 4 over 5. So we now know the two values of y. So let's go and substitute this in the first equation, right? So x plus 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus 5y over 2. And we know that if y is equals to negative 1, what's the value of x? So x is equals to 1 plus 5 times y is negative 1 over 2, right? So it's 1 plus 5 times negative 1 is 1 minus 5 over 2, which is equals to minus 4 over 2, which is equals to negative 2, right? And you go on to the next, which says if y is equals to 4 over 5, right? We need to find the value of x. So if y is equals to 4 over 5, what's the value of x? So we say x is equals to 1 plus 5y over 2. And if you substitute, our x is equals to 1 plus 5 times y is 4 over 5 over 2. 5 and 5 cancel each other. And you are left with only 1 plus 4 on top over 2. Right? So it becomes 5 over 2, which is equal to 2.5. So we now know the value of x when y is equal to 4 over 5. Right? So let's go on to the next. We say solve the following simultaneous equations. Right? We do the same. To our linear equation x plus y is equals to 3, and our substitute make x that formula, so x equals to 3 minus y. We go into our quadratic expression, x squared minus y squared is equals to negative 3, and substitute for x, so it comes 3 minus y squared minus y squared is equals to negative 3, right? So if you expand this, what you get 9. 2 times 3 is 6, so get minus 6y minus y squared to get plus y squared, right? Minus y squared is equals to negative 3, right? So if we reduce this, y squared minus squared is 0, so you are left with 9 minus 6y is equals to negative 3, right? So you move 6y to the other side, become positive, and negative 3 to the other side comes 9 plus 3. So 6y is equals to 12. So dividing this term by 6, we get y is equals to 2, right? So what is the value of x when y is equals to 2? So we go into the linear equation, x is equals to 3 minus y, and we substitute when y is equals to 2, so we substitute for y at 2, and come 3 minus 2 is 1. So our x is equals to 1 when y is equals to 2. So that will be the answer. Right? So see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I leave you the practice questions to do on your spare time. Make sure you pause the video and write the questions and do them on the practice in your practice time. Don't forget to subscribe my videos, like and share, and give your comments in the comment section. Cheers.